Namaste everybody. My credential is that I'm an Indian and I'm a teacher. Today the purpose of this video is Thanksgiving to the industrialists of India. Um, there is a question which is going on that our industrialists do not do this, they do not do that, they don't give adequate alms to the poor, they don't donate. But I want to know why. They are even bashing their children. If a child's parent is wealthy, what is wrong if the child uses his or her parents' wealth? We are always bashing Mr. Ambani, Mr. Adani, and regarding Mr. Ratan Tata, he is unparalleled. There is no comparison. He is unique. He is an exemplary example for the society of givers. But why are people not aware that what the industrialists are doing, it is not only for themselves, it is also for the country. Mr. Ambani, Adani, Mr. Tata, they were the first persons who donated oxygens. Other than that, we always forget that these people have been employing lakhs and millions of Indians and other workers under them. They are feeding their employees, they are feeding their families. So why do we forget them? So this is the best giving which they are giving to the society. I am also a teacher and I am from economics background. So I want my students to know that before judging a person, you must know about what is that person, how giving is that person. And when I am making this video and I am rendering my thanksgiving to Mr. Adani and Mr. Ambani, I don't have any political preference. I am apolitical. I don't belong to any political fray. As an Indian citizen, and they are also my fellow citizens, I render my support to them. We Indians always have the propensity to pull down the Indians who go up, who bring laurels to the society. We are always in a doubt. If I say this t-shirt is from the company called Samrat, then I am this. So if I put an English name, Louis Vuitton or whatever I can't even pronounce, then it's this, right? So no doubt I am also speaking in English so that it reaches many people, many countries. Please support our industrialists. They are feeding us. Since my childhood, like our family, we have been using Tata Salt, then Tata Tea. We have been using Reliance Services, petroleum. So what are they not doing for the society? And why would they always percolate money from their pockets? Why? They are already doing so much for the society. A businessman must first think about his or her profit. Then when the profit becomes more profitable, he becomes more rich, he can think about donating or contributing towards the society. They are already doing. Even after that, when they are doing so much, what is the use of bashing them? This video is for those people who need a reality check and you need to support your industry. Every time you say India's economy is going down, India is not this, not that. But even the coronavirus vaccine has been produced first by this country. So there needs to be a cap in the definition of developed nations. The nations which cannot even provide people succor during a medical emergency, who are total and absolute failure, and the so-called developing nation India, it is helping the world, then the definition of developed nation should be wiped out from the dictionary of economics. So I want to thank Mr. Adani, Mr. Ambani and Mr. Tata from the core of my heart. I did not get any oxygen service for them, but as a citizen I am really grateful to you. And regarding Infosys, this much big epics, this much big fables, stories with moral, but what have you done? I want to know that. Thank you so much. So anyone, if you do not like the video, my views and opinions might collide or coincide, but at the end I am making this video for my fellow Indians and especially my students. Please support your country. No matter what language you speak, language is just a medium of communication. Please support the industrialists of your country. Please honor them. Please honor their achievements. Please try to learn the pain behind their achievements. Thank you so much. Everybody, please stay safe during this deadly pandemic and help each other as much as you can. If not with money, but with your words. Thank you.